Alright, so what's poppin', everybody? It's your man, Nashi. Woo! Woo! Back again with another video, and as you guys already know, we are back again with another banger, you feel what I'm saying? Now, bro, my chair is just too squeaky. Like, can it relax? Please, like, bro, it's too much. It's just a lot. But when it comes to this video, shoes. We must talk about shoes. Now, there is one pair of shoes in particular that I do need to talk about, so let me go ahead and assume my position to the right, you feel me? Yeah, just like that. Just like that. Yeah, squeak the chair, you feel me? Now, when it comes to this video, matter of fact, before we get into this video, please go ahead and smash that like button and follow me on Instagram at christakanashi. That way you can stay in tune with all things that I got going on and all things Nashi, you feel what I'm saying? But when it comes to the sneaker for today, I do have to give it to the Adidas Yeezy Boost 380 Mist Reflective. Now, these have to be some of the most craziest, weirdest Yeezys I have seen yet, and that is saying something big, because I have been on the record as saying that Yeezy sneakers have been very bland in a way. You know, we've been seeing a lot of the same colors. Maybe Kanye is just getting some groundwork out the way first before he starts hitting us with bangers, you feel me? And maybe he's just now starting to do that. So I am definitely interested in that. Now, when it comes to this sneaker, it almost looks like, bruh, you was in a fucking Nicaraguan desert and you was running through the sand and the sun was setting. That's kind of how like that color tone looks to me, like that sandy brown with like the grayish, foggish blue on that shoe. You feel me? Looks fire, bro. Can't even lie to you. I want it. Yep, I want it. I'd love to have it in my collection, bro. Now, I feel like I'm not gonna lie. I feel like these look better than the aliens, bro. I think these are gonna look better than the aliens. I feel like that sand on feet and in person is going to be more vibrant. I feel like it's going to be more bright. And goddamn, yo, that mixture of blue tan combo that almost resembles like a Flyknit look, that's fire. I can't lie. That's something dope. Hey, I might have to cop these shits, bro. When are these hoes coming out, bro? Like, honestly, bro, when are they coming out? Ooh, man. And they have 3M hits too. Oh yeah, I'm liking those. Get them off that cinder block though. We can't have no heel drag, my guy. We can't have no heel drag. Let's go ahead and keep that 1,000 mil trip. Now, when it comes to the Mist Reflective, I tried to do some digging to see if I could find like a release date. I couldn't find one. I'm guessing this is just a first look so far, but for a first look, good gracious, those look great. Those look wonderful, and I can't wait, because I think I might have to grab those. Look, when it comes to sneakers these days, I'm real selective on the shoes that I go after, just because it just costs a lot of money and there's a lot of shoes that you're not necessarily able to wear. But at the same time, I have been on the record saying in a video who wants a lot of shoes, but then again, I kind of do want a lot of shoes. So you kind of got to be just careful in the stuff that you do buy. Quick little tip from Nashi. But when it comes to these, I think I might have to grab them bad boys, bro. Hey, y'all keep me updated on these, please. Whenever there is some new information, bro, hit my Instagram, Chris Takanashi, bro, or hit me in the comment section. Let me know so I can hop back on here and make another video for y'all. But when it comes to this video, we had to talk about the Yeezy Boost 380 Mist Reflective. How did you guys feel about them? Did you guys think that those were dope or trash? Go ahead and put that in the comment section down below. And as you guys already know, I got more bangers coming soon, more videos coming soon. And all I gotta say is, hey, bro, like I said, let me know whenever we get some brand new information on the Yeezy Boost 380 Mist Reflective. Let me know. Slide into DMs. You know, my DMs are always open. I'm always talking to everybody. Let me know when something big happens. More bangers coming soon. All right?